Hello, Jim Tech Buzz back with another video, and this time we've got the Life P3 true wireless noise cancelling earbuds from Soundcore by Anchor. So you've got bass up, hybrid ANC, 35 hours playtime with thumping sound. All sounds good. Same story on the side here, incredible sound loved by 20 plus million people. So you've got multi-mode active noise cancelling, clear calls via 6 mics, 7 hours playtime, 35 a case. You've got the app access here, which is great. Oversized 11mm drivers, wireless charging, which is cool, and IPX5 water resistant. That's pretty much it. So let's get the plastic off and get in and see what they look like in the flesh, as they say. Right, so it's a drop out. And here we go. So we've got our case. We've got a booklet here. And all our booklets are in there, which nobody really reads anyway, so we'll just pull that aside. And in here we have got our tips and cable. So you've got a set of tips there, all sizes, and you've got the USB A to C and powered by Anchor cable. So, pretty nice. Let's pop all this back into the box. Here is the case itself. So this is a nice case, a nice kind of matte finish with the branding up on top there, lights on the front, and your USB-C port on the back. Open them up and we have that. So again, you can take them out, take off the little tags and have a look at them. So a nice colour it is, actually, kind of a two-tone colour. You've got a silver edge in there and you've got the blue colour with kind of a matte finish here and a glossy finish here, but they do look really nice indeed, and they should fit quite well. They have this kind of angled shape here, contact points there, and the mics there on the bottom you can see, but they look really nice. I like this two-tone effect, and with that silver trimming they look really well and premium. So we're going to pop them back in and see. So in on the case again, you see you have a button here too, and you've got your LED lights up front. So let's check the magnets, and I think I went way too hard there. So they're fine. So case closes like so. Nice soft close on the case. So what we'll do is take them off as usual and test them out, and we'll be back in a week or so with a full review, and I'll have a look at the app as well and see what it gives to these earbuds. And don't forget to check out our Soundcore previous review. We have done their amazing earbuds, and they are probably the best earbuds I've had in the last year. And we'll show you them in the next video anyway, but this is the latest. And that's pretty much it. And don't forget to check out, we'll also be having these reviewed as well, the P2 Mini. So stay tuned for that. So we'll be back in a while, and we'll have a full review and we'll talk to you then. Hello, it's Jim from Tech Buzz. We're back with the Soundcore Life P3 earbuds, and if you want a good pair of earbuds but don't want to shell out top dollar from these guys here, which are simply fantastic, the best earbuds this year, these aren't far off and they're quite good, so that's something to consider. These are simply an amazing pair of earbuds, but if you want to spend less, these aren't far off, which is a very good thing to say about a pair of earbuds. So you've got your matte finish case, which is really nice. You see this is kind of a glossier finish. And you've got your USB-C port in the back, and of course you've got wireless charging as well, and they fit nicely in there. And it's a nice pocketable size little case to have. And I love the design on these as well. It's really, really nice. And it's got that silver trim, bluey trim going around. It depends which way the light is hitting it on the design. So they look really well and they're clean, and they've got a gloss finish too. So you've got the Life P3 here on the Soundcore app, which is really good, and you've got a gaming mode here, and you can just toggle it on and off there. You've got ambient sound, you can transparency, and you've got noise cancelling as well, which all depends on which mode you want. You've got superior sleep in here. You've got your tip fit test, which you can do on your own, your controls, which we're going to have a look at in a minute. So you can see here on the left hand side, you have got the options for hold for 2 seconds, double tap or single tap to make these commands work, and they work really, really well, which is kind of important. So I give you a little diagram here, and as you can see there, just held in for 2 seconds and it works quite fine. So a single tap will, sorry, you'll go back in there again. You can customize these settings for yourself. So you have a double tap, hold for 2 seconds, and a single tap. So on the left, for example, volume down is just tap it once, and a little bar will pop up on the side here when we go into our music player. So we go in here, press play, and you can see the bar popping in there, and the volume back up is just the same on the opposite side. So you can see how it works there, and that's how they work. It's quite simple and really works well. Of course, you can skip tracks as well, like so. Double tap, as you can see, and reverse tracks, as you can see down here. So that's basically how they work, and they work really well, I have to say. A nice touch area there to work with, and they work 100% of the time, which is important for people. So you're going to want to know how they sound, and they sound really, really good, and very, very impressed. Nice and loud, good bass. Again, you can change that. I like the bass. You can change that in the equalizer settings. So you can customize your sound as well. So you go in there, you can customize like that and save the profile. You go into your default here, or you can have rock, R&B, pop, piano, lounge, jazz, hip hop, Latin. All that stuff is in there and works really, really well. So you won't be disappointed. End of story with this. And the only thing is, you've got no autoplay and pause, which is fine. It doesn't really bother me, and that's really about it. Calls are quite good as well, nice and crisp and clear. So if you're looking for a nice pair of earbuds at an affordable price which will deliver excellent sound, you should check these out. I'm becoming strongly a massive fan of this brand, since these have just blew my mind, and you know, it's going to be hard to beat these, but Soundcore have done it with a cheaper option here if you want to save some money and give you excellent sound. These are ones to certainly look at, and I would highly recommend them, and they come in a nice range of colours as well. You've got your ANC, which I said there, you can turn on and off your transparent and your ambient mode, and that's really about it. And you've got the option here for gaming, your battery status here, and then your settings in there, your touch tone, firmware update, find device, all that kind of stuff is in there on the app. It's a really good, clean app, and it looks really well too. And you know, you can't really go wrong, and that's all I can say. They're a really excellent pair of earbuds for the price, and they look well too, and they have this nice, I love this colour too actually, and it's better than the typical black and white pairs of earbuds that we do tend to see too much of. So if you're into your stems, like, they are different than these guys here. They're totally different design, as you can see. These are much more bulkier kind of earbuds, or if you prefer your stems, that's what you're going to be getting there. So some people prefer stems, some people prefer these kind of earbuds here. It's up to yourself, but can't fault them at all, and that's just putting it simple. And it's not a high thing I'd say too much on site. Can't really fault them for the price, how they look, all this app, and what you get in the app as well. They are certainly a pair of earbuds to contend with. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.